Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Bankruptcy Pro C. First, understand the two main types, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is for those with limited income, while Chapter 13 involves a repayment plan. You'll need to determine your eligibility for Chapter 7 by passing the means test, which compares your income to your state's median. Next, gather all your financial documents, including pay stubs, bank statements, and debt records, to prepare for the process. Now, let's prepare your bankruptcy petition. You can obtain the official forms from the United States Court's website or your local bankruptcy court. It's crucial to complete all schedules accurately, listing every asset you own, all your liabilities, and every creditor you owe money to. Double-check for any omissions or errors. Finally, ensure all forms are properly signed and dated before you proceed to the next step of filing them with the court. Once your petition is complete, it's time to file it. Take your signed forms to the bankruptcy court clerk in your district. You will need to pay a filing fee, which for a Chapter 7 case is usually around $338. If you cannot afford this fee, you can apply for a fee waiver or request to pay in installments. Make sure to keep copies of everything you submit for your records. After filing, you'll attend the Section 341 meeting of creditors, also known as the 341 meeting. This is a brief meeting with your assigned trustee, where you'll answer questions under oath about your financial situation. Creditors rarely attend. Before your discharge, you must also complete 2 mandatory courses: credit counseling before filing and a debtor education course after filing. These steps are essential for a successful bankruptcy discharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.